So in part 2 of our Maximizing Profits, we're going to go over how to effectively twin trade in the market. So I'm going to go ahead and buy XAU USD market execution. Let's say the signal came in into our signals chat. For everybody who's absolutely new and hasn't plugged in their first signal, I encourage you to go only for TP1. However, for people who are a little more experienced, try to go for more TPs, and this is how you do it. The entry point is going to be 1450.5. This is just an example, by the way. TP1 is 1445. You can read the rest up to the SL, which is 1445.5. And let's use proper risk management. I'm not going to go too deep into risk management. That's in your TTG handbook. But let's just say we're going to do 0.1 per every $100. So if we're trying to make a trade, right, and we put in 0.1, and what happens is you do not place a TP1. You want it to go for a TP3, and you place it just for TP3, right? You place your 0.1 for TP3, and that's where you want it to go. Let's say it goes up, it hits TP1, it goes up, it hits TP2, right? So you're up in profit, and you have it set for TP3, and you're in a lot of profit. But let's say it starts going down, and it goes all the way down to your SL, and you lose out on that trade just because you did not twin trade. What's going to happen is you're going to be pissed from that, and you're going to seek out ways to learn a better function in making money. So what twin trading says is, it says, okay, what you're going to do is you're going to split up your lot size. So that 0.1 we have, we're going to turn it into 2.05s. What does this do? What happens is, for one of your entries, one of the 0.05s that you put in, you're going to put in a TP1 for it. For the other 0.05, you're going to leave your TP empty. For your SL, you're both going to have the same SL, the same 1445.5 that we have. So what happens is when the trade goes up and it hits your TP1, great. This automatically disappears. This is automatically gone, because when a trade hits TP1 or SL, that entry goes away and you automatically have your profits or your losses. However, this second entry is still in, and you're using good risk management because both of those equal 0.1 together. So to protect the profits that you already have, you've already gained that 0.05, which is $25 to TP1, since it's 50 pips up. You're 50 pips up. So what you want to do is, when it's at TP1, when both of your entries have hit TP1, you want to put your stop loss at entry. So wherever you entered at, which was 450.5, you want to put your stop loss right there. So even if you're floating in profit at TP1 and it goes all the way down and hits your stop loss, guess what? You've lost no money off of that entry, and you've still secured the entry, your profits from this first entry. However, what happens is, if it goes from TP1, it fluctuates a lot, but it goes to TP2, what you should do is have a stop loss in profit, or a moving stop loss. And what that means is that you want to move your stop loss to where TP1 is. So even if it comes down and hits your stop loss, guess what? You've made that full TP1 money. So same thing happens for TP3. Once the trade hits TP3, put your stop loss in profit at TP2 for TP3. So even if it doesn't hit TP3 but comes down, guess what? You just got TP2 money off of that 0.05. So you've made way more than you would have if you had just dropped that 0.1 and went for either TP1 and actually hit it, or went for TP3 and actually hit SL. So I hope that made sense to all of you. And that is the gist of twin trading.